Good morning everyone, it's day 3 in London. But I'm in tube and the tube is so empty. It has never been like that. I was clicking a lot of pictures and took a lot of videos, but I thought I sat in the wrong train, but I in fact did not. So I'm saved in that. Otherwise I had to literally get off some platform, then take another. It would have been a nightmare, but yes, I mean, it's so good. The trains are empty. It's Saturday morning out here in London. So today I'm going to central London with my sister. It's gonna be so fun. We're gonna shop around, we're gonna go to cafes, and yeah. Yesterday I went to Selfridges, I had nice coffee, I shopped around. Today most probably we're gonna walk around. Today it's not a sunny day. Yes, the worst part is today is very cloudy and it's very windy. It's not sunny at all, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right? You can't just wait for the weather to be fine, the sun to come out. It's not gonna happen. So I'm out and about. Hey guys, we are on the Oxford Street. Don't even laugh at my mic. Like, don't laugh. This is my walk to the cafe. We got down on Oxford Street. Now we are headed towards Black Sheep. So we came to Black Sheep Coffee and we had a nice coffee here. We had a chicken sandwich. It was nice. Now we're gonna go to Selfridges again. We're gonna have some coffee again. And then I really got to buy some things because yesterday I was just window shopping. I got something from Zara, but I do have to also get a wallet for my dad. Oh my god, it's so irritating. There's so many options, so difficult to choose from. But today my aim is to actually buy something nicely. And yeah, yesterday I had selected some wallets for my dad in Selfridges. I think at least 2 or 3 I had shortlisted, but then my sister called me. There are fits for today. I'm wearing this from Zara. This was Zara. I don't know why every day I'm just wearing Zara. And look at her pants. I don't know why do they have Christmas trees selling in September, but literally they do. They have a theme here for some reason. The coffee, oh my god, it's so good. It's too dark, it's crazy because it's like a shot, so that's why it's so strong. But I feel like I'm enjoying this. Walking alone in London. I'm gonna go to Regent Street. It's so beautiful. Let me show you. I'm gonna go and take the bus. I'm in the bus now. I'm going to Regent Street. You know, I've already hit like 20,000 steps and it's just 5 p.m. Like, oh my god. I'm going to show you my watch at the end of the day and I feel like it's going to hit 30,000 steps. I'm not even kidding. So let's see and we'll talk then. Good morning. I'm going for a morning walk It's Sunday here. It's currently 10 a.m. Today I got a bit late because I woke up a little late, you know, a little lazy morning on Sunday. And just ignore my face. You know, my face here has become so dry. When I landed in London, I was fine. But from the next day, it literally got so dry. So I've literally moisturized it and I've not put anything. Like, I've put a very thick layer of Cetaphil. If you know Cetaphil, you know what I mean. So I've also put a little bit of sunscreen because guess what, today is a sunny morning. It's a sunny morning. Today is a sunny day altogether. Yesterday was a bit gloomy. It was dull at first, but second half of the day a little bit of sun came. An entire day of sun cannot beat it. You know what I mean? Especially in London. So basically, if you don't walk in the sun, you're gonna feel cold. So right now it's so chilly, so cold, I can't even tell you. I'm wearing shorts. Ooh, but it's so chilly, but still it feels nice because the sun is there. You know what I mean, or am I just blabbering? I think I forgot my mic, and that's like the worst decision because I feel like my voice is not coming and the background noise is crazy because of the cars. Today I'm headed to Jubilee Place London. So this is my outfit for the day. It's like a winter outfit for some reason because I don't know why I feel so cold, you know, compared to others. I feel really cold. So I have to be prepared. So for that I'm wearing nice warm clothes. So I even forgot what I was saying. क्या बोल रही थी मैं दूसरे वीडियो में? Oh, got up very late today, not a lot late, but like a little late, and then I went to the gym and then I had my breakfast at lunchtime and now I'm out. It's like 4 p.m. so everything's going late but still nice. Going to the platform and get in the tube. We'll take the next one. I think I'm gonna take this one. So I'm going to run and take a tube. No, let's not. Let's take the next one. It's fine. Let's take the next one. Huh. Look at the sun. So it's like 30 minutes from here and I'm just going to sit. Right now I feel like I'm getting tanned, but I mean I feel nice, right? It's better to get tanned than feel cold. It's better than that, right? So yes, now it's like people are continuously staring at me because I'm always shooting, I'm always click vlogs or reels and I'm always on my own. Like some of the time my sister is with me but mostly I'm alone. But you know what, who cares, right? Just you have to do things on your own. See, now still someone's looking at me. But anyways, I don't care. So I'll reach and I'll talk to you. I'll see you soon. Today's agenda is that I have to do shopping, my fitness gear, because I really need fitness gear. Oh my god, this heat is crazy actually. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you around. This is the place. First, before anything, coffee. Now I'm at Paul and I'm having a sandwich and a coffee. You know, coffee before anything. It's like, it's your fuel. So you need to fuel up to start doing things. I'm gonna have this sandwich and I'm gonna have this latte. I'm here in Aloe. So beautiful. These are the options. I went to this Aloe, but this was like a small one, you know, like there weren't any options in them. Like now I'm gonna go to some other place. The sun is crazy. So I'm gonna go to some bigger one and then I'm gonna update you guys. Neighborhood, this is so good. Let me just show you around. It's so pretty. The neighborhood is so pretty. It's a nice sunny day. Look at this. This is nice. Nice. My plan is that I had to buy fitness gear from Alo Yoga, but this Alo Yoga was really small, so I couldn't see a lot of options there. Now I'm gonna go to a place which has more options. The main problem is that today is Sunday, so all the shops get closed around 6 p.m. and then nothing is there. Like after 6 p.m. London is literally dead. The tubes also stop working after a point and everything is literally dead. Yes, I was thinking, let's see whatever is open, whatever is quick. Anyways, so I'll catch you when I reach the area, when I reach the location and where I plan to go. It's like I find some spots and then I'm going and standing there in the sun. It's that crazy because whenever the sun's not there, it's so cold. It's like, let me just show you. I'm feeling cold right now. I'm feeling cold right now. This is cold, 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 cold. And then I find a spot and I stand like this. See, this is also something that you get to see here. Not always pretty, but it's the part. I saw a cute dog. It was almost like tiger, and like I missed tiger so much, and then I started petting that dog and she was so cute. It's a nice walk to the tube station.